for cat. D is for duck. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jelly. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for octopus. P is for pizza. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. T is for turtle. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for whale. X is on little hun. Y is for yellow. Z is for zebra. A, B, C, now you can see. Letters make words easily. A, B, C, hip, hip, hooray. We learned the alphabet today. We learned our ABC. Now shout with me. Again, again, again.